Kevin Hardings. Been at JR for a little over 10 years. Working the new model facility. I'm a machine builder. Started as a kind of a fabricator, saw cutting, and then moved up. They needed another builder, so got moved into that within a couple months. Once everything gets machined, we get the pieces basically, and we'll fabricate the frames and then put all the basically the pieces to the puzzle together. We've also got into robotic welding side of it too, weld fixtures, notchers, stuff like that. JR is easygoing, family oriented, flexible, laid back atmosphere, kind of like small town community, easy to work with. The insurance is good, 401k and all that stuff helps out a lot. If you're looking for a good place to work, go to jrmanufacturing.net.